for this banana smoothie, you will need honey. Yes, honey. Ice cubes, a cup of ice. Banana, because banana is the main ingredient right here. Milk and a blender. First thing we're going to do is put the banana in. Guys, I have this banana about 3 days and this is how they look, but them still good, you see me? So we're going to put the bananas first and we're going to break it in small pieces so that it is easier. We're helping the blender to blend it easier. So yes guys. So now it's time to add the ice, and I'm just going to add all this ice. It is approximately a cup of ice. Now I'm going to be adding the milk. The milk all depends on the amount of banana you're using. So if you're using 1 banana, that's less. If you're using 2, that's more. And if you're using 3, you know that's more. So it all depends on the amount of banana you're using. So now for the final ingredient is the honey, right? So it all depends, again, as I said before. If the banana is sweet, then you don't need a lot of honey, but you need some honey in it, because you know the milk is going to take away some of the sweetness. So use any amount of honey that you feel, and you can, whenever you're blending, you can stop and check it if it's okay or not. Guys, blend until smooth. Blend until smooth.
We are done. We are finished. It's over.
And there we have it, our banana smoothie, homemade banana smoothie. Guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more.